Hello and welcome back to another video on my YouTube channel. In this video we'll be downloading and building the OpenSees documentation locally. So first navigate to the OpenSees GitHub page, next select the documentation, fork, ok, create fork, next copy the code to clone, create a new folder, OpenSees documentation, git bash here, clone. Done. First we will build the documentation locally. For this I will navigate back to the OpenSees documentation's website. And I will follow these steps. I will open the command prompt and I will run these codes. Next, I will navigate to the OpenSees documentation folder, copy the path, change the path, and then I will make the HTML. The build succeeded, and the HTMLs are in build HTML. Let's see. It's this one. Let's check the command manual. Let's see how many joint elements are present. Not many. Therefore I will add some. If you enjoy my content, consider supporting my work through my Buy Me a Coffee page. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.